वर्ल्ड कप सबसे least important competition is coming.
In the world, in all of sports history, the least important competition.
Still, it gets all the hype and it all the
Yeah.
shouts as well.
For
But
people who don't get sarcasm, please, this is sarcasm.
इसमें भी 4 comment आ जाएंगे बोलेंगे कि
Zero
how could
ball
you
or
say?
how can you say?
But the thing is, the right now World Cup की teams तो cook हो रही है. It's
Yeah.
happening. But शोर मच रहा है World Cup की tickets का.
Yeah.
Apparently, I've read you need 50 lakhs to watch a World Cup final. This is baffling to me right now.
50 lakh रुपया. Do you know what all you can get in 50 lakh rupees? We can do 50 trips.
I don't know what, bro.
What can you not get?
You can get like, bro, n number of things in 50 lakhs. मतलब तुम वर्ल्ड कप में जाके
Yeah.
मतलब है कि तुम वहाँ की कंट्रीज 10 बार घूम के सारी वर्ल्ड कप मेरे को लगता है जितने भी वर्ल्ड कप होस्टिंग नेशंस है तुम वहाँ पे जा सकते हो.
Yeah.
You can go there, you can buy a car,
You can do a world tour of the 50, all the 58, all the teams, 48 teams or whatever, how many teams are there.
So this is the point कि यार 50 लाख की टिकटें हैं. पिछले साल अगर पिछले वर्ल्ड कप पे कंपेयर करें तो यार वहाँ पे ऑफिशियल प्राइस था वर्ल्ड कप फाइनल सा 1.5 से 2 लाख के बीच में
Yeah.
ऑफिशियल. एंड वो जाता था रीसेल में 2 लाख 3 लाख 4 लाख 5 लाख, उससे ज्यादा नहीं जाता था. दिस इज ऑल एंड आई एम सेइंग ऑल कैट वन टिकट्स.
Category 1.
ठीक है. एंड टू गिव वन मोर एग्जाम्पल, अभी यूरो हुए इंग्लैंड वर्सेस स्पेन का हुआ, उसका ऑफिशियल प्राइस टिकट था 90,000 रुपया. वो रीसेलिंग पे गया तेरा 1.5, 2, 3 लाख, उससे ऊपर तो गया नहीं रहेगा यूरो का फाइनल.
Yeah.
वी वेंट टू यूरो.
Yeah. 6 महीना पहले, हाँ 6 महीना पहले ये सब दाम था.
So how in the span of 4 years with respect to World Cup and 1 year with respect to Euro, how the tickets prices have gone up to like
8x, 15x, 20x, कोई नंबर ही ना. It's just getting crazier and crazier day by day. And God knows, bro, like by the time World Cup comes, what will the rates be? I have to, जैसे सोना चांदी बढ़ा, ये भी वैसे बढ़ेगा.
बट ठीक है, सोना चांदी बढ़ता है, यहाँ पे खुशी होती है. ये वर्ल्ड कप के टिकट्स प्राइस बढ़ रहे हैं. बट मेरा पॉइंट है कि यार ये इस
But you
चक्कर
know, इस चक्कर में the smaller teams, there have been Curaçao, Haiti, these guys have qualified for the World Cup. In बिचारे nations को, you're saying first of all get the visa, US visa, which itself is a very tough process.
Yeah.
Okay. Then after that you fly to US, which tickets are very expensive. And thirdly, you pay these enormous or stupid amount of prices to attend the matches. बस ये कंट्रीज के सपोर्ट रहेंगे ही नहीं स्टेडियम्स में.
अबे इनके फुटबॉल खेलने के लाले हैं. इनके कंट्री, सम ऑफ द कंट्रीज, दिस हाइती, कुरासाओ, देयर fucking countries ruled by gangs. They don't have money. उनके
Yeah.
proper infrastructure कुछ चीज़ों का नहीं है. They have a political issue. They have a geographical issue आ जाता है. उनके खुद के stadiums नहीं है, तो कैसे fans जाएंगे, travel करेंगे?
ये अफ्रीकन कंट्रीज जो आ रहे, मतलब कहाँ, फ्रॉम वेयर विल दे गेट दीज फैंस? द होल वर्ल्ड कप इज what is the first World Cup में first word क्या है? The world. And you're not thinking about the world. FIFA is thinking about their first word because it's FIFA World Cup, so FIFA is thinking about FIFA.
And इतने backlash आने के बाद, you know, ठीक है, उनको याद है, oh fuck, backlash आया, तो they have gotten like few blocks. We have gotten supporters entry ticket, some supporters fan ticket or something blah blah blah, जो 70, 80, 90 $, यूरो का है. बट मैंने देखा कि चलो क्वांटिटी कितनी है इसकी.
It's like 0.5%, 1% of the entire stadium capacity is what
इतने
they-
से छोटे छोटे ब्लॉक्स है. So
You know, I'm actually afraid by the time we might see a few empty stadiums in the first few matches.
see, it'll be छोटे मैचेस. अगर छोटा मैच रहेगा तो छोटी प्राइजेस भी रहेंगी. बट इफ दिस
नहीं, the group stage matches start at $700.
oh,
The category 3 starts at $700 official.
so it'll be like some seats will be unfilled, bro.
Has to, bro, what do they think people are going to do? I don't like, I get it, it's people's bucket list. I will go for the World Cup, everyone thinks. But there's a certain limit to what, I don't know. I guess people have too much money in the world right now. That
हाँ
also-
यार, ये हम यहाँ पे बैठ के बात कर रहे हैं, जब हमारे पास लाख रुपए नहीं है यार करने के लिए, तो
Yeah.
that's another thing. हमारे अगर if anyone's watching, you want to sponsor us, we can cover your
देख लो कहीं पर भी, कहीं ऊपर ऊपर उड़ा देंगे, ड्रोन्स उड़ा देंगे आपका.
yeah, we can cover your World Cup, any
Yeah.
brand. So वो तो अलग बात आ जाती है, छोड़ो.
Yeah.
But I want to see यार, but interesting ये है कि ये बार वर्ल्ड कप की टीम्स, I know it's we are too early to say this, we don't know the full squads also, but एक अंदाजा, so many transition, which team can you know possibly win, and let's look at each and every team कि इस साल कौन सी टीम में किसका you know who has the higher leverage to win.
You know, I don't know if they have the leverage to win, but Brazil on paper, the 11 players look very good.
But they don't have attackers. किसका खिलाएंगे रिचार्लिसन
It's-
वापस?
No, it's not even about the attackers. It's not about midfielders, not about the defenders, not about the goalkeeper. It's about the one man,
The trump
who's won
card.
everything, everywhere. They are trump card.
Mr. Ancelotti.
Mr. David Ancelotti. Oh,
Carlos Ancelotti.
गलती से निकल गई. दाऊद अंचलोटी क्यों निकल गई? इसका बेटा का नाम है क्या?
I don't know that.
गलती से
But
निकल
that's
गई.
Carlos
Yeah, but
Ancelotti.
Carlos is someone who's like the trump card. He is the one who can. He's the only one who can handle Vinny Jr. I feel.
He can handle 11
11
Vinny Jr.
Juniors.
in Brazil squad.
But Brazil looks interesting. Striker में Cunha, he plays with a lot of intensity, plays with a lot of
But
heart.
Cunha is striker.
No, DK is settling in United, but in Brazil he'll be very good. Cunha, Rodrigo, Rafinha, Vinny, Casemiro, Bruno Gomes, Gabriel Alisson. Militao. It's a very solid setup that they have. And कहीं से, by God's miracle, Favela से कहीं से, मतलब Neymar आ गया उनके.
Neymar
Like
come
add a Neymar who can give you 20-30 minutes of
Yeah.
magic.
Yeah. He can give you those 20 moments दे सकता है वो.
He'll give you moments.
He can give you moments
He'll give you
only.
magic, which no other player in the world can give you.
Yeah. So I
And if
think
they get that, you never know with Brazil. You never know. And Brazil always has that spark. Always in the World Cup. You can never write them off.
you're anyways no matter what the squad is, you would be excited. But this squad is थोड़ा मतलब मेरे को थकियारी लगती है.
Yeah.
Regardless of whatever
Yeah.
you say, this is an Ancelotti squad.
Yeah.
I am only rooting for Brazil because it's Ancelotti. That's
Yeah.
why. Because वो last Argentina के साथ जब match खेली थी Brazil in
Yeah.
the what was the cup name, man? I forgot that cup name. बुरी तरह आ रही थी
Yeah.
Brazil. बुरी तरह आ रही थी.
But again, yeah, they look.
कॉमने
but-
बॉल हमने लोग
Yeah.
था. If I'm not wrong.
I can't remember.
Correct me in the comments. But
Yeah, in general, your European teams, England
England.
looks
England looks
on paper the best. On paper,
England looks good, bro. England
But
looks overall it
England
looks-
है.
but it's England.
that's the issue. That's England. But Tuchel is there, so that
Yeah.
is a different dynamic in a long time that they've had. So maybe he'll add. Spain, of course, Mr.
Spain तो-
EKFA. तो है ही अपना उनका बेस्ट प्लेयर है EKFA.
Spain has
Zubimendi,
great
they've got
players
Merino,
every
Godson,
position.
Yeah, they have a very and Spanish footballers are they turn up. They won the Euros.
Yeah,
The Euros. They also like recently they won the Euros. So you can't write them off. They look Germany not looking that good on paper.
Germany, Belgium, all are diminishing squad.
Yeah.
They need Italy also, I would say.
Italy also not looking
These
that good.
three countries are a diminishing squad,
Yeah.
and these countries need new generation, young generation players.
I would like
But interesting is Norway coming into the World Cup.
Norway. I would love it if Erling Haaland can somehow win the World
Like,
Cup.
you know, dark horses because
Yeah. बड़े कंट्रीज तो मालूम है यार इंग्लैंड स्पेन ये सब जर्मनी ब्राजील अर्जेंटीना यू ऑल नो दीज कंट्रीज आर तो देयर ओनली बट नॉर्वे आई रियली लाइक नॉर्वे दे गॉट हु अर्लिंग हालैंड दे गॉट मार्टिन ओदेगार्ड
और कौन-कौन है यार?
दे गॉट
सब
सॉल
तो स्ट्राइकर लेके बैठे हैं लोग.
अबे दे हैव अ वेरी सॉलिड आई एम नॉट फॉरगेटिंग दे हैव अ फ्यू वेरी गुड मिडफील्डर्स आल्सो
So they have defenders. देख इनके अगर defenders देखे देख
yeah the defenders is very good they are और Norwegians होते हैं थोड़े Viking types होते हैं Patrick Berg is very good your Sander
Bob,
Berg
Oscar Bob है
Oscar Bob
City
is
का.
very good Haaland
यार बट मतलब मेरा ये है कि यार सी फॉरवर्ड्स नॉर्वे कैन जस्ट यू नो यू कैन बैंक ऑन फॉरवर्ड मेरे को बाकी आई डोंट
dark horses yeah for them even reaching a quarter final semi final will be like historic
क्रोएशिया इज आल्सो लाइक अ डन स्क्वाड.
yeah Modric खेल रहा है अभी भी
मॉडरिच खेल रहा है.
उसको तो लगता है
पिछले 3 वर्ल्ड कप से मैं लास्ट सुन रहा हूँ उसका. दिस इज द थर्ड.
खेलो बंद ही नहीं चल अच्छी बात है टच हो भाई खेलो जितना खेल रहा है yeah
दैट
but yeah
अर्जेंटीना ब्रो.
the two squads the two teams
the two controversial squads. भाई ये गलती
you know
से
honestly
like
they
honestly fuck
don't
Portugal like right now but what if like Argentina
win it again अर्जेंटीना जीत गई ना वर्ल्ड कप वापस
like can you imagine
can you okay fuck this is a crazy
See, what if like
narrative. Everyone's talking about Portugal winning it Ronaldo no
What
one's
was
talking
he?
about Messi winning the World Cup again बस क्या हो जाएगा दुनिया you know actually the world flipped after Messi it was like a
the
cannon moment
world will blink bro everything will blink for a second and everything will change Ronaldo fans will be converting or they'll just go and hide themselves somewhere. They will never come back.
Bhai, it's over. Football is like finished. You stop football. If Messi wins the World Cup, just end it. That's it. Then you roll credits.
I think हो जाएगा.
I need to know now ना वो बस चालू कर दो roll credits.
I think माता जय माता दी बोल दिया ना उसने. जब से उसने माता जी का हाथ आ गया उस पे
सब जगह जाके दुनिया में कर वो अपना गेम अपना अलग गेम खेल रहा है वो.
Realistically, Argentina is also a squad which you can be scared of.
बस Messi है.
Yeah.
वो आदमी
And that 10 players around Messi, they will play for Messi.
बॉडीगार्ड बात करते हैं ना हम लोग वो 10 बॉडीगार्ड है Messi के अराउंड उसके.
And France. Next, I would say.
France
is also, if they click, their attack clicks.
France, so obviously France is top 3, top 4 in the World Cup. Semi-final is guaranteed of France. उसके बाद it's anyone's game. So semi-final, तो you think France if doesn't reach semi-final it's hot. France तो
I think Kanté is also playing this World Cup.
Yeah, but it's also their manager's last World Cup, Didier Deschamps. Deschamps' last World Cup. Then comes बैठा है वो बंदा.
I think the very realistic approach I want to say for this time Portugal. I think Ronaldo has underplayed this whole World Cup narrative.
Ronaldo knows he's playing different level of mind. You have to understand, right? Cristiano Ronaldo is mental, and when I say mental, not in a way that good way. I'm saying he's actually cracked in the head. He's cooked.
But look at his 41-year-old body, man.
Yeah.
You think he's not thinking about World Cup? You think he doesn't consider this competition to be important?
Yeah.
Yes, he does. Yes, he does.
One thing is being physical, like है ठीक है, but he is
not stopping.
He's not like he is getting up and he's thinking about the World Cup. He's sleeping, he's thinking about the World Cup. He's eating and he's thinking. He cannot stop thinking. I think that after the day Messi won the World Cup, I genuinely think he couldn't stop thinking about it.
Yeah.
Because that is where competition thrives. That's why Ronaldo thrives.
Georgina is doing a PR for him where she just घर से बैठ के Christmas पे वीडियो डाल देती है बच्चों के साथ. बच्चों अरे ये तो chill कर रहा है बाप के साथ बच्चों के साथ मस्त कर रहा है. I think this is all PR by Georgina.
No, you have to be a mental human to have to deal. Plus he's having to deal with Lionel Messi as his rival. Do you know how crazy it is? Ronaldo मैं ऐसा होके इतने गोल्स मार के ऐसा
परफॉर्मेंस कुछ कर पा रहा हूँ
फिर भी मतलब there is this guy Messi जो as much as we hate to say it has won more, has done more unfortunately. So he must be crazy. He must be going crazy.
Realistically, it's very difficult for Portugal to win the World Cup because
why not? I feel they have a phenomenal squad, Jack.
They have a phenomenal squad, but it's very difficult because you are competing with the worlds of France, Argentina, Brazil.
They won the Nations League final. As much as all the Barca fans and the Spanish fans want to downplay it, they won the final versus Spain. और किसने मारा था World Cup में वो Nations League में? They turned up.
The only one bullshit thing is with Ronaldo and Portugal that he's carrying the squad. Yes, he's carrying the squad.
Yeah.
The bullshit that people do now, that Portugal plays without Ronaldo. That's utter crap bullshit. Nonsense. I don't agree with this at all.
Press, ये सब nonsense.
कि मतलब पूरे 10 प्लेयर उसके लिए खेलता है. भाई खेलो. वो आदमी जिताता ना जितना टाइम भी खेलता है.
The guy who scored 1000 goals in his career. If you don't play for him, then who do you play for?
Like, Portugal doesn't play because the full squad is focused on delivering the ball on him. Why not? If you have the world's... भाई अगर तेरे पास odds, उस player के पास odds है तेरे को chances convert करने के लिए, match जिताने के लिए, it's him. So you will play according to him.
Yeah.
So that is something, but very realistically, it's very tough. But my only prediction prediction क्या है? भाड़ में prediction. मैं कोई ज्ञानी तो हूँ नहीं.
Yeah.
I just want Ronaldo. I really want Portugal to win the World Cup to balance the scale, but if not,
भाई मेरे को तो अलग स्ट्रेस आ गया इस चीज के बारे में बात करके.
अर्जेंटीना
सब रोनाल्डो कर रहे हैं. रोनाल्डो फैंस सोच रहे हैं कि मेसी अगर वापस जीत गया तो क्या होएगा. Like, and I think on that note, we are going to end this.
Yeah.
Whatever. Sleep well, Ronaldo fans sleep well. Don't think about this. Messi fans, you to sleep regardless well. Yeah. So.
Peace out, guys. Subscribe, man. We're at 1,000 subscribers. So,
Yeah.